I will show you how to get the Scrum Master career of your dreams in just a month. Let's dive in. Welcome to our Scrum Master Transition Program. We've designed this course specifically for career changers like you. In just 4 weeks, you'll move from zero to Scrum Hero. First, we bridge your knowledge gap with IT fundamentals and an intro to Agile. Then, we dive deep into the Scrum framework, values, and principles. You'll learn exactly what it takes to be a Scrum Master. Next, you'll get hands-on experience through simulations and exercises, plus optional certification prep. Finally, we'll guide you on transitioning to your new IT career. You'll build a strong profile, ace your interviews, and kickstart your journey as a Scrum Master. And guess what? You'll hear from experienced Scrum Masters who will share their career journeys and invaluable lessons. Join us for 4 weeks, 4 days a week, and transform your career. Ready to become a Scrum Master? Let's make it happen.